Well, we've got a beautiful spring day today. I think it's in the lower 60s here. And it's hard to believe that tomorrow we're expecting 4 to 8 inches of snow, possibly. But before that comes, we need to get out and do some spring projects. One of those projects is getting the lawn roller out and rolling some of the rougher patches in the lawn to try to flatten them out. Let's take a look to see how this goes. The max towable weight for this tractor and hitch is 250 pounds. This Agri-Fab 48-inch lawn roller weighs as much as 550 pounds when filled with water. So we only filled it about a third of the way. When it's empty, it's about 58 pounds. This is helpful to use when you have uneven ground or you want to pack down some newly sown seed or sod. The diameter on the roller is 18 inches, and it's constructed of rust-proof poly, so it's long-lasting and durable. There's also a scraper bar on the front that prevents clumps of soil from being compacted on the roller drum. The removable fill plug empties easily, and it can also be filled with any standard garden hose. Now for some of the safety information. They recommend emptying the lawn roller after you've finished using it in order to prevent it from rusting, and also to protect it from sub-zero temperatures during the winter. When filling the roller with water, you're not supposed to connect the hose pipe via a fixed coupling, otherwise there could be a dangerous buildup of pressure inside the roller. When towing the roller, you're always supposed to draw it across the face of a slope, never straight up or down. The braking and traction force of the towing vehicle must be capable of handling the extra load represented by the roller. Of course, you should always pay attention to the speed and coming to a halt, knowing that you're carrying extra weight behind the tractor. I will leave plenty of links in the description below regarding the details of the different products that we used in this video. Please like and subscribe as we continue to put out more videos surrounding our John Deere Z540R. Thanks for watching.